Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Sith Trooper from Star Wars. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw in the top of the helmet first. So we're going to draw one line across. This is going to be the width of the, I guess the head, right on top of the visor. And then from here, I'm just going to turn it into a rectangle. This is a really long rectangle. And then now let's go up and finish up the head. So we're going to go up slightly. And then we're going to round it out. Okay, and then from here, let's just draw in two lines right in the middle. And now let's come down and finish up the helmet. So right on the corner here, just slant all the way down. And then go back up toward the center. From the center here, just draw one line. And then now from this point, just slant up. And then from this point here, we'll slant down. And there's a lot of strange little angles. So this part's gonna be the visor, and just let me shade it in black so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, so now it's a little bit clearer as to what we're looking at. And then now to finish up the rest of the helmet here, on the side, just draw two straight lines coming down here. And then we're gonna flare this out. And then from this point here, just come down with the same slant as this. Let's go all the way down. Okay, and then from the center, make a little point, and then just connect those. And then for a little bit of detail right here, just gonna draw in, it's got those little vents right here, so I'm just gonna draw in a little bar. So there's gonna be other details, and I'll probably draw those in when I color, because I know there's a lot of like little lines all over the place. But let's continue on with the body. From right around here, here's your shoulder coming out. We'll pinch it in. And then close it off. So this is gonna be the top of the belt. And then right here, just come down and draw a little rectangle. So that's gonna be the belt, and it's got those little pouches on the side. So I'm just gonna extend these lines and just draw almost a square. Yeah, it's more like a rectangle, but just extend it down and out, and then close everything off. Okay, so let's come back up here and finish up the arm, and then we'll add in all those little details inside. So right around here is gonna be his armpit, so I'm just marking it. Okay, so now we're gonna come up here. It's got those big shoulder pads. Just come all the way down to right around here. Come in, and then we're gonna slant it up and then go all the way across. Okay, so same thing here. So we're gonna curve down right about to the armpit area. We're gonna come in, slant, and then come into the body. Okay, so those are his shoulder pads, and then now for the rest of his arm. So from the armpit, slant down, and from here just slant down and then close it off. So this is gonna be the elbow. Lower arm will flare out to right around here, and then this side curve, this one straight down, and then just close it off. Okay, and then for his fist, come down, little hook for the thumb. Here's the back of the fist. And then for the other fingers, come down and then just hook it back up. Okay, so same thing on the other side, and then we'll add in the details here as well. So from the armpit, slant, close it off, flare out, and then again, this one's gonna curve right around here, straight down, close it off. Same thing here, little hook for the thumb, back of the fist, angle. Okay, and then now for the details, let's just add in right on the elbow area right here, one line. And then this is gonna be armor right here. So I'm gonna finish, just draw another slant, same as this. Start right around here to slant. So this part's gonna be black, and actually I could shade it in. Yeah, I'll do that when I'm coloring because there's a lot of those little black lines everywhere. Okay, so let's come back in and finish up the armor inside here. So right in the center, just draw one little curve first. In the middle again, just come down, slant, and then go out. Back in the center right here, two lines again, and then just go out again. And then right here, I'm just gonna add one little line. And then on this side, I'm gonna add two lines. Okay, so let's continue on to the bottom right here. So right here in the corner, just come down and then close this off. And then from this point here, connect to that corner. Okay, so this is gonna be the beginning of his leg right here. So let's start on the inside. Slant out. And then on the outside here, from this corner. Okay, so just come down. And then we're gonna angle it in. And then just close it with a little bit of a slant. So angle in. Okay, and then for his knee right here, just come down and then just close it off with a curve. We'll keep it simple. So just come down and then just round it out. And then for the lower leg, we'll flare out. Come down straight, just pinch it in, close it off. And let's add a little rectangle right here. So we'll flare this out. Pinch it in. So just use the other side for reference. Close it off with a horizontal line and then one rectangle on the bottom. Okay, and then for his boot right here, just one little line. Just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off and let's just add one line on the bottom. Okay, so slight curve. Come out a little bit more. Close it off. And that is it for this trooper. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.